name is Jeremy Warren. I'm from New York City. I am a drummer, composer, educator, and band leader. I've been playing drums for roughly 30 years now. I'm 38. I currently hold a drum chair for Don Braden and a Don Braden Quartet. I am the drummer for a Brooklyn-based Afrobeat band called the Gentlemen Brawlers. Look out for the Gentlemen Brawlers. We're coming. Also, I fill in from time to time with GZA of Wu-Tang with the Funky Nomads. And I also lead my own band called J.D. Warren and the Rudiment. My collision stick of choice is the 7A Reach. You can see those. All right. The three things I love about Collision is, most importantly, the durability. I've been playing one set of sticks for about 2.5 months now in different settings, with GZA, at church, with the jazz quartet. They just hold up. I love the weight, I love the feel, and also I love the way the stick sounds on my ride cymbal. I love the way they sound, the definition. So I'm going to play for you. I'm going to show you some of our set from GZA tonight. We're here in Portland, Oregon at the Pickathon Festival. We're going to play 2 songs from our sets called Cold World and Labels off of the Liquid Swords album. If you haven't heard the Liquid Swords album, you should listen to it. It's legendary. All right, hope you enjoy.
When you say so wrong, you employ Boulevard trophy set. Now you know goddamn I'm so living large. How to flip a step jam. Rap off the motherfucking house. I'm smoking you cold chillin', motherfucker. I still wanna run. I'm ruthless. Man, don't hack that cloud. Shit is sky. Oh, flip the back, so loud. Just go for me and now take the rock with it. Wanna live a real and when it's from the sun city. Niggas be dirty. Thinking every lyrical version. They know they like to go for version. If you haven't fucked the right you ain't heard of me. I'm trying to go with the Venus, trying to Mercury. The capital of this record straight Wu-Tang. Really unpredictable talent and action game. I never know when to see what's like the cable. Epic, not a Rush associated label. From each west to Acto. We just do it like Franco. When I keep the set show. I run down a couple of rounds, put it down. I do it so down, then see it down. Before you put me in the ball, it's your break. I'm down on the island, running in the streets all day. My priority is that first priority. I'm only secret out of kicking this Ferrari. So look out for A&M, the Abbott and the Masters. Breaking down your pendulum as I fade in the beat out. Low and lovely, 10 days. All the more weight than the company. And that, in the scope, who we are seeing. Clan that's coming with a plan. Free us, color, this is that. that bastard. Get bastard. Read the label. Say it loud, loud, loud. I know the Wu bang, bang. 36 chains.